This is a 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's start with the rear right door. Open the door. This feature is only on the rear doors, not the front doors. Now right there, that's where the switch is. There's even says lock on it with the arrow pointing downwards. So flip the switch downwards and now it's in lock position. Let's try it out. Let's get in the car, and now because it's in lock position, I should not be able to open the door from inside no matter what I do. Okay, that makes sense. Let's try and get out from the left door because that one is in the unlock position. I can still open the door from outside, which makes sense. I will put this now switch in the unlock position, flip it up. That is good. Let's get in the car and verify that it can actually open from inside now. Lock makes doesn't open. Yeah, now it does open. That is good. Let's try this for the left side door, and it's the exact same process, same position of the switch. Push it down to activate it. Get in the car. Now as you can see, this had to be done separately. So if you do have a child in the car in the rear seat, you want to make sure they don't get out accidentally. Activate this feature for both the doors, not just one door, because see, one door was unlocked, I could get out of the car. Let's put this in the unlock position now. Get inside and see if I can open this up. Unlock, open the door, and yes I can. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.